Alright, well, we just got here to my buddy Andrew's house. We were here last week working on the Mustang. Today we're actually taking the Mustang off of the lift because we're going to get ready to put my car on it because we just got some parts that we're going to be installing today. Go over here and show you what we got. Alright, we got the Gktech knuckle kit for the Z33, G35 chassis. And we also got the Bell Wasteworks differential brace, and for those of you who don't know, the G35 350Zs only have one stud that hold it to the subframe, and this kind of cures that by giving it another mounting point. So we should be installing that, and the angle kit. We'll kind of go over what's in the box in a second. Right now we got to get this car off and get my car all onto the lift.
Where's it? Go under? Definitely not lower enough. Oh, fuck.
Right now I am trying to see how the how this bracket is set up before I start taking stuff off the car. Thanks to Gktech's helpful video here. So we'll see what's going on in a second.
Install them, spin the nut off the rose joint, slip the dust boot onto the rose joint, through the side hole, and out the bottom. Push it all the way up, and you're done. Thread the lock nut back on, and that's
I really do not know what I'm doing.
We install these already. Yes, we can.
Hopefully we can get it in.
Put it
and,
together on the bench first, and then install it to the car. First hit the rose joint, put the bolt through.
I'm gonna get in here and show you guys what we're working with the factory angle, and kind of see why this is probably gonna be the best thing that I've done to my car in terms of drifting. So yeah, let me get in here and turn the wheel so you guys can see what's going on.
Clear?
Yep.
Hey,
Those are right here. Oh.
First time I've ever done that.
From Harbor Freight?
It is, but it's warranty, so.
Yeah, you just take it in, don't you? Like, give you
I have not had that. I had one break before, though.
I've had one break. The exact same.
Really?
Yeah, the ones with the dual head.
That sucker's on there. This bolt has that feeling of wanting to break. To be honest with you.
That would suck, dude. It didn't seem like that. Maybe. Okay, that kind of. It's not good.
Well, I mean, try to take the rest of the way off, but you know where this goes.
Well, if you can look right here, that bolt's sheared off, so we can't really do anything until we can drill that out. Yeah, and this is basically the mounting part for the angle kit. So with that being said, that kind of definitely puts us in a bad spot.
eBay, just type in
So we're just kind of
starter relay.
prepping these for Wednesday.
Yeah, so
If we can get some shop time at a buddy's, and so that we can get it aligned after we pull it apart, because after this we're definitely gonna have to recenter the rack. So back in the box they go, but I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna try to get them basically set up have Andrew help me torque them down real quick so that when we get there Wednesday, I mean, at least the piece will be basically set up, and all we'd have to do is pull the car apart. As simple as that is, right? So literally, just like that. And then this piece just goes in between there. And yeah, kind of slide that through there. If I can get it lined up for you guys. Which it doesn't seem like it can. There we go. And it's pretty hard here, but I'm gonna slip this. This has to go. I have that down a little bit because this one goes on this side because we're using OEM control arms, so we're gonna need that space in there. And we put the washer on there. This is an extra brace for the differential, because right now the main stud is just a single one right here. Got a new bushing for it, but so this basically adds another point, and it's supposed to help reduce some of the wheel hop from obviously having a welded diff and other things. And there's a few guys who have actually experienced that actually shearing off, and the diff actually lowering down and smashing the exhaust and shit. And that wouldn't be fun to anything drivetrain related if that snapped and did do that with the abuse that we're going to be putting on it. So I thought that we should just go ahead and get some extra security in there. So, and it comes with all the hardware you need. Longer bolts for the ones that you're going to take out of your diff. And then this is actually the sleeve for that hole that's in the subframe that we're going to be using to mount this brace. So yeah, it kind of sucks about the whole angle kit today, but we're going to try to do something after this.
First bolt.
Well, I mean, I guess that's better technically than the third bolt. You know what I mean?
True.
Then you're in the middle of it.
Really suck if we had one done and it broke on the other side.
That would put us in a predicament.
I even were like, yep, it feels like it's gonna break, and you just like,
I mean, there's nothing you could do though.
keep twisting.
Like you have to keep going. This is simple.
Okay.
We're gonna take out these two bolts.
All right.
And we have new hardware there, so
Okay.
if they want to snap for some odd reason, we'll be okay. And then,
No, they won't.
yeah, now they won't, because we have kind of a security plan, so it probably won't, but we do have extra ones just in case. So
Let's throw the front wheels back on here.
yeah, I guess we can do it. I said it like I was gonna go grab one of the wheels and just throw it on there. That's sadly not gonna happen, guys. I can't do it.
David bought this thing that mounts right here. It's a bolt that sticks out. He takes the wheel and sits it right there and puts it back down here. No. Yeah.
That's legit, dude. So you literally take the wheel off, don't have to sit it down, you just put it off to the
Right
side.
to the side, it hangs.
It's a game changer.
Hey, there's a tool for every job. Even the job of being lazy.
Oh, look, we found a cup. Piece of a cup. On the run.
St. Louis for you.
Trashy. Let's see if it'll work. Now I can actually do some work, guys. And it's not.
Work on it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's not really strong enough to break them.
I mean, that's kind of why. This one too, right?
Yep.
So you can grab the whole thing and wrench on it.
Well, if I could do that, I'd just use a ratchet.
Really? That looks a lot easier now.
I love the smell of transmission fluid in the evening. Not really. That's just horrible.
Well, transmission fluid smells a lot better than diff fluid.
You know, one of the same?
Dinosaur
Love
ass.
gear oil
No.
versus.
Diff fluid is dinosaur ass.
Well, there we go. The differential brace is installed. It definitely wasn't too much effort, I don't think. That was pretty simple. All right.
Put both those mufflers on there.
I guess we'll get back on this Wednesday, so we'll catch you guys then. And working montage starts right about now. Alright guys, well my camera died, so kind of filming this outro with my phone. The angle kit was all done. I'll show you guys kind of the difference later, but like I said, I'm kind of just filming this with my phone right now just because all my cameras are dead. So we will see you guys at the drift event.